Hi, and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Again, I have another top 5. These are florals, not rose, but just your like lilac lighter florals, except for one. But this is my top 5 if you're new to this, or even if you're not new to this and you may not have tons of materials and you're like, which ones are really good, and because I want to get those, help me know what's out there that's amazing that I gotta have. Here you go, in no particular order again. So the first one is Lilas Mauve Synarome, Lilas Mauve Synarome. It is lilac. It's a very clean, to me, straightforward lilac. Very clean, it's light, so it's not like a heavy, like super strong scent, but it's a beautiful, to me, rendition of lilac. The next one is Gelsol F, Gelsol F, from IFF. It is narcotic, okay? Heavy. To me, this is the closest thing that you're going to get to well, it's got some jasmine narcotic. It's a little bit more jasmine, but throw a tiny bit of honeysuckle in there in the background. It is just a little narcotic now, but that's why I love it. It is 200 hours on the test strip. Oh, this is a must-have. Oh, I love it. Love. You're asking me. I'm telling you. Flower Water Accord from Susan Lemon, creatingperfume.com. This is like flower water, like you're trying to drown some beautiful fresh flowers in water, and you can smell that aquatic note with fresh flowers. It's not super strong. It is it's subtle, but there you can smell it. So it's not super strong. Beautifully orchestrated. I love it, especially when you want some watery notes. It's there. The next one, Peony Accord, again, Susan Lemon. The peony, oh, gorgeous. You need to have this. You need to have it. It's beautiful. To me, it's even got some complexity to it. It's one of my all-time favorites of her accords. If I could only have one, I would choose this one. Seriously. If I could only have one of her accords, this would be it. I love it. It's beautiful. And it's peonies. And it's pretty strong for a peony. You would think it'd be really light and la la la. No, it's there, and it's gorgeous, and it's awesome. It's beautiful. The next one is Mela Floor from IFF, Melafleur. This is a outdoor green floral. This one's kind of complex because it's got floral going on, it's got outdoor going on, it's got air going on, it's got a tiny bit of melon way in the background. And if you didn't hear the word melon, you might not pick it up, if that helps. Really complex. To me, this is a across the board floral where you're like, I don't know what kind of floral this is. It's that complex and has the air outdoor quality with it. Really nice. I have been doing this every single time. Number 6. I should just call it top 6. Ugh, but anyway. You're like, fine, I don't care. Awesome, because I would not care either. I'd want an additional one. This one is Composition. This is the name of it. Composition 37987. So this is a Lilac Plumeria. Plumeria, the other name for that. Plumeria, I have to think Hawaii. It's going to come to me, and some of you are shouting the name already. I know. I can, well, that just fell. I know it's going to kill me until I find it. Give me just a second. It's going to drive me crazy because I know it. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't say it. What's the other flower? Crap. Of course I didn't look to remind myself. Anyway, it's going to drive me crazy. But this one is definitely the strongest of all of them. This is kind of in your face, and you don't need a lot of this at all. There's even a little bit of ivy note. So there's some green there, and it's an ivy green to me, which is a little sharp and very, very bright, a little fruity, but definitely the lilac frangipani. See, I knew it. It would come to me if I don't get all nervous, and I just am like, what is the name? Frangipani plumeria. Same thing, frangipani plumeria. It's definitely a mix of those two. And how funny that the frangipani is a very, very light floral, but this is like, what's up? It's in your face. Gorgeous. You just don't need a lot. And it's complex. Composition 37987 Synarome. So there you go. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe so you can continue to keep up with us. And when I put out another video, you'll know about it, and it'll be all in one place. And we'd love to have you in our community. So have a good day. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.